Happy birthday, Pen-Pen.
Ay, yung wifi wala.
We're going to McDonald's. Kasi nandun yung mga kalaro niya. Sila Daniel. We're celebrating lunch at the McDonald's. Yeah, French fries. Okay.
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh, let's go daw. Ayan, dito na tayo sa McDonald's. Here we are. We are here already at the McDonald's. Asan sila? Ay, ayan, yung sasakyan nila. We are here. Siyang ba yun? Ayan, nandito na sila. Mga si Gian, yung anak niyang tatlo, puro lalaki. Dito na kami sa McDonald's. Naunahan na. Hindi, mamaya kakain tayo dun sa long table. Diyan sa labas. Palaruin muna sila.
Ay, doon na natin kakain para mahaba.
Diyan oo, maglalaro muna sila. Okay, you play first. Pen-Pen. You play first. Happy birthday na. Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Penuel. Yay! Hello, nakabidyo. Andiyan na si Steph. Ayan, happy birthday, Pen-Pen. Dito kami sa McDonald's celebrating Pen-Pen's birthday. Pen, come on. Pen, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Si Steph. Steph. Pen. Oh, look. Look your guest. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Sila naman ang pagkain nila. Okay. You sit in there. Doon na sila. Tabi na kain. Ang kinakain mo, Pen?
Mommy.
What are you eating, Pen?
Eating mommy.
Eating mommy. Eating mommy. Eating nuggets and french fries. I eating cheeseburger. And mac. Ha? Bakit mac ka? Chocolate kaya to? Sabi ko chocolate. Cupcake.
Very allergy.
May cupcake. Pati rin. Vanilla. Yung isa.
And chocolate.
Chocolate ang. Kasi yan lang makain niya. Vanilla tsaka chocolate.
Where did they get? They're like fake on ShopRite.
Masa ShopRite.
Bigger ones.
Cupcake.
Tapos na first mo?
Yeah.
Wow! Chocolate cupcakes! Yummy!
Mga makon.
We're open! Pen-Pens. Yan. Regalo ni Daniel.
It is a Christmas.
It's Daniel. Daniel's gift. Oy. Dali, open it.
Open it, Daniel.
Destroy the cover.
Yeah,
Yan, birthday ni Pen. Kanina nag-McDonald kami. Ngayon, nandito kami sa mall ni Jen para mag-order ng foods. Take out na lang namin kasi medyo masama pakiramdam ni Bill. Ayun, nag-order ako doon ng Sakura. Yung sa akin ay noodles sa beef. Kay Jen naman nag-order ng sushi. Nori suki. Kay Jen sushi ang in-order niya. Sushi roll. Beef teriyaki. Tapos mayroon chicken and shrimp teriyaki.
Yung kay Bilin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ako na lang kumantapin. Ayaw pumunta dito ni Pinpin. Come on. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pinpin.